Hey there everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did some Mr. Goodbar peanut butter cookies for you. It's an easy recipe. It's actually the same recipe that I use for my plain peanut butter cookies. Myss Hobbs uses as well. That's another great recipe. You need to go check her out and I'll link it down below. But like I said, it's simple. It's just a cup of sugar, an egg, and a cup of your peanut butter. And that's your base. And then all I did was cut up my Mr. Goodbars, added it in my dough there, mixed it really well, and then I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Once it's preheated, I got them and scooped them out in tablespoon size portions, and then put a little space in between them. They don't spread out too much since they don't have flour in them. Then I did my little hatch pattern on top with my fork, just to give them a little look, and so they cook even, cause they're squished out and they're more uniform and even. Put them in the oven at 350, like I said, for 12 minutes. Take them out, let them cool for about 5 minutes, and then serve and eat, and that's it. Simple little recipe. They're good, tasty, good to enjoy. Anyways, I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.